Hey guys, what's up? I have a lot to talk about today. Got some good news and some, well, not so good news, but it's really not that bad. So let's start with that and get that out of the way. And I can talk about all the fun stuff that we got coming up for the rest of the year. So you've probably heard the news about RAM prices going through the roof in the past recent couple weeks. And as a PC company, we really notice anytime prices fluctuate, especially as much as RAM has. So we have had to raise the prices on our staple builds. Not much, but we had to raise it to offset the cost of what we were having to pay for a lot of the RAM here. Now, we never like to raise prices. We like to stay as affordable as possible. This year has just been the craziest year for being a PC selling company, truly. With tariffs and everything else, it's usually hard to keep up, but we have tried as hard as we possibly can this whole year to not raise prices. But this RAM thing, we really had no choice. And I would like to say the prices will come down soon, but we don't know how long the prices will be up on the RAM. But as soon as they are, we usually are happy to lower prices too if we need to as well. But just thought I would let everybody know so it was full transparency on all of our builds being a little bit more expensive than they were recently. But now that we got that out of the way, I have a lot of fun stuff to talk about for the rest of the year here, starting with the November sweepstakes. This is PCBros' first ever sweepstakes, and it's going to be taking place all November with a December 1st, I believe. So if you're considering entering the sweepstakes, make sure you read all of the fine print here. It is US only because tariffs and shipping, and you have to be 18 years or older to enter. Now, how to enter is really easy. There's really only two ways, and it is completely free to enter and win. However, if you do purchase anything from us, that will count as an entry into the sweepstakes. But you can also do a mail-in entry, which is just getting like a flashcard and handwriting your name, number. We're going to need your number and address so we can actually get a hold of you if you win, and mailing it to this PO box right here, which we have already gotten quite a few, which is good news that people are seeing this and excited to enter. But these are the two ways to enter in, and it is going on as we speak. So if you are interested in this second PC giveaway we're doing this month, make sure you check the links down below and get started. Now, you might be familiar with our PC giveaway stream that we partner with ToastyBros for with their 6-hour stream, and we provide the PC every single month. We've been doing that for years. So we give away at least 12 PCs a year, sometimes even more. It is usually on the second Friday of every month, but this time we had to push it back to the 21st, the third Friday, because the ToastyBros will be out of town that second Friday. So just mark your calendars for that. If you're used to it being on the second Friday, it will be just different for this one. That's not going to be a reoccurring thing, hopefully not, but it will be a Thanksgiving stream, and it's going to be a lot of fun. And we usually give all sorts of bonuses and give away other things as well. It usually is a great turnout. So if you are not interested in the sweepstakes, there's also that you can enter in as a different way to try your luck at a free PC. Now, it is also holiday season, so PCBros has started its holiday deals. Now, this year we are doing something a little bit differently, where every single PC purchase, you're going to be also getting 2 gifts. Let me run through those with you real quick. The first one is the Essential PC and Electronics Cleaning Kit. This is really nice to have when you get your PC and it's all clean and everything looks so nice. You want to try to keep it that way the best you can. So each cleaning kit comes with 2 microfiber cloths, which are really high quality and nice. We go through so many of these in the office, it's actually crazy. And a toothbrush in case you want to go deep clean and you have some dust in fans or the motherboard. And then of course we have some alcohol wipes as well, and a PC and glass cleaner that is extremely helpful. And we go through so much of this as well because we do a lot of repairs at PCBros and cleanings, and that stuff smells good and it works really well. If you want to know more about it, there is a YouTube video that Jackson did breaking down every single thing, but it's a nice little bonus that you get as a thanks for buying a PC from us this holiday season. But probably a little bit more exciting, we're also giving each PC purchase the PCBros XL mouse pad. Now, this is a very clean minimalist mouse pad, and if this is your first ever gaming PC, you know that buying the PC is only like probably 70% of what the budget's going to be, because you also need a mouse, keyboard, mouse pad, mouse mat, monitor, desk. You're gonna want the full experience. So anything to offset that full cost, and you get to rep your favorite PC company's little logo on the side. We use these in the office as well, and they work really nice. Again, each PC purchase starting today all the way to the end of November is going to have a free $40 value of the cleaning kit and the mouse pad that will be in your box. You won't need to do anything. It'll just auto apply. So something to keep in mind when shopping for the holiday season. And overall, this has just been a great year for PCBros, especially on the social media. We've been seeing a lot of growth since starting to really hone in on YouTube Shorts and TikToks and all that. We just wanted to say thank you so much for all the support that we've been getting on those, because it's been very fun. It's a way for all of the PCBros employees to get to be part of the channel and get to share thoughts and opinions and fun little game recommendations and stuff like that. I think it's been probably the best thing that we've done for the channel, and some of them have gotten quite a bit of views. And if there's any sort of question that you want us to ask, or if you have any ideas, please feel free to comment and share what ideas you want to see, because most likely I will see that and I will be stealing your ideas. So let me steal your ideas. And PCBros YouTube has also hit 25,000 subscribers, and that is a big milestone for this year as well. And we are very grateful for the growth of that, and juggling that with growing a PC company in one of the craziest tech years probably in a long time, with tariffs and price increases and uncertainty. This has been a very lesson heavy year for PCBros. We've learned a lot as a small business, and we hope to continue to grow and share what we ultimately want to achieve, which is providing the best PCs we can to everyone that trusts the ToastyBros. And so we want to stay as locked into providing as much value as possible in the next few years. So again, thank you all so much. This has been a fantastic year. It's not over yet, so check the website because we're always updating. Don't miss out on all of our holiday deals, because a lot of these PCs are one-off. So if you see one that you like, jump on it as soon as possible, because once it is sold, it is gone. And usually this time of year, things are going quick. And truly, thanks again, because this has been a fantastic year for PCBros YouTube and us growing as a business, especially in our local presence. We are just very grateful that we have been entrusted by so many to provide such a fun experience like a gaming PC, because at the end of the day, that's what this is. This is a fun hobby that we are very happy to be a part of. So thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.